All right, round three here, you guys. Got some music playing behind me, but yeah, it's a lot of them here. A lot of different ones here. So we're gonna cruise right along here. But here's one over here. I love this grill here. I love how they did this. This is nice how they've incorporated that. This is about 30 grand. Very nice. Music playing here, so I kind of got to get out of here. But get the point. This one is 25 grand. Not bad. Got some nice ones. That last video you guys saw, that was epic. That blue. Oh, it's hilarious as hell. Nice little, another walk-in head. That's nice. Shit is right over here. Everything else over here. Mid-sized workbench. Not bad. Nice refrigerator. Not bad. Not bad. Hang out with all your buddies. So we'll cruise on over here. This one is 23 grand. Wow, weird layout, but I guess. And I don't need that, but kind of hang out in here with your buddies. It's not bad for 25 grand if you had a young family. Kids can sleep there and go there and go camping. Not bad, I guess. Got the head and shower and bathtub if you want. Well, I guess. Sure it's not cheap. You're okay. All right. All right. Go into here. This one is 21 grand. This is a small one. I like this one. This is kind of cool. This one is this is kind of like a scamp. It reminds me of scamp. I love scamps. See, I wouldn't. All I need if I'm buying this would be for storage, my bikes or something. I don't need two beds. I mean, I get it for the family, but if I bought this, all I would need is that bed. I get it, and I'd get rid of this stuff for other things, storage, my bike, my golf clubs, and whatever else. But it's a nice little one. That's kind of cool. So what the hell, right? So, not bad. 21,000. That's it's affordable. There's some more over here. These are all Cherokees. So this one is 28. Looks like it's 30 grand. Let's get on up here. I'm glad I came here tonight. Because then not too big crowds. There's no music, just radio, so I'm lucky. Upside. There we go. Well, here's the class one. This is the vintage one.
Absolutely. If you have any questions or you find something,
That's it. Total all red. Oh my God, that's hilarious. That's hilarious. People in there, so I can't go in there. Away she goes. Big ass bed. Yep, not bad. Again, if you have the young family, you can sleep up there. You got the head right here. Yeah, they're in that red one. That one's 30 grand. Hello. Good. There they are. No light. Then there's a smaller one. It's 16 grand. This is there was that one place a while back. This is a nice fishing house, kind of like a little bit of both. So ice cave they call this. 25 grand. How's it going?
Good, how about yourself?
The old ice fishing house, huh?
Yes, sir.
Doubles as kind of both, huh?
A little bit, yeah.
Nice. How's business? I figured I want to do my video. I wanted to come on tonight so it isn't so busy. You know
Yeah,
what I'm
that's
saying?
what
I
was
can
gonna
get
say.
stuff done.
It's good for content.
Yeah, for content to come here. Because I'm going for the RV show next week, the bigger one. It was kind of fun. But
Yeah.
do they have scamps here today or not?
I haven't seen them. They're
Okay.
kind of funny, though, because they're super independent.
Yeah.
Or, like, it's hit or miss.
I did a video on one with a guy one day, and I got like 1,500 views on
Oh,
it.
yeah, people love them.
Yeah,
Crazy.
they made-
That's the thing, is they're, like, independent. So
Yeah.
They haven't expanded or anything, so.
Well, they're built in Minnesota.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
All right. All right, man. Good luck. All right. So we got another one. This is 16 grand. There's a whole bunch of music in there, so. The vintage one. This one's another little small one. This is hilarious. This one is a vintage cruiser, red. So they got them in blue, red, and whatever else. So 25 grand. This is hilarious. I love it. I mean, I like red, but this is a little much. Yep. Sit on here. Pretty in pink, right? Pretty in red. Oh, they look nice. I mean, as long as it's solid, doesn't move, doesn't leak, nothing comes out of the ceiling. Yeah, this is the red one. You got the head right over here. The shower. It's the red version.
Of the blue one?
Yeah.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, it's a red version.
Okay.
So. $56,000. Oh my, here we are. Oh my.
I think we had one or two this morning or today, this afternoon.
That's a big ass bag. Whew. Nice. Look at that bad boy. Wow, walk in, sit down, shower. Nice. That's nice. Washer and dryer. I'll buy one open. Probably one open up. Probably locked. Who knows? Anyways, I like how this can pull over across when it wants to. Nice. Very nice.
That's something that they started doing a couple years ago.
Yeah.
Looks pretty good in my opinion.
All right. Oh my goodness. This one is 60 grand. Another big one here. Oh my goodness. Yeah, they're in there. People are in there right now. So it's a same kind of layout. So we don't need to go in there. You can pull this one pretty well. They have all different kind of floor plans you can ask for. And if you're single, you have kids, whatever else.
And then they want
There you go.
they can sell them
Oh my God, look at this one. This is 50, 60 grand. All right, so now we're gonna go upstairs. This is insane. Oh my goodness. So whatever, I don't know, the dogs or whatever he put up here. The kids, I guess. Go back down, I'll kill myself, shall we? So, wow. We're down here, we're killing ourselves. This is like the, oh God, look at this bad boy, I got TV. That bad boy. Goodness. Oh my word. Got a bar here, the whole 9 yards. Table over here. Oh my goodness. So yeah, on your TV. You can sit over here. Looks like your own kitchen, right? Let's move on to the next one, shall we?